If you want to record a sound on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then you can use the voice recorder for that. To find the voice recorder, we need to, for example, go to the app drawer or app screen, and then we need to go to the Samsung folder, and then here we have the voice recorder. We need to grant permissions to be able to record, and then we can press this red button with the microphone at the bottom of the screen in order to start recording the voice memo. This is how we can record it. You can add those marks here, those bookmarks. You can also pause at any point. You can even, I believe, rewind and start all over again from a certain point to override it. And we can also just pause and stop the recording completely by using this square button. You can set up the name, you can use categories, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Now over here in all the recordings, you should be able to find your recording, where we have also some options. We can find our bookmarks over here, and we can add notes to our bookmarks. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!